Poland's central bank allegedly funded an anti-digital currency campaign, and WebARX creates a tool to detect cryptojacking. It's February 22nd. I'm Philip from Coinsquare, and here's the latest on today's episode of Blockchain Buzz. Recent reports allege that the Central Bank of Poland paid YouTubers to create anti-digital currency videos. Polish YouTuber Marcin Dubiel posted a video to his channel in December of 2017 with the title loosely translated, "I lost all my money." With over 500,000 views, the video depicts Dubiel investing his money into a fake digital currency called Dubiel Coin. And after some initial financial return, he loses all his holdings. A report from Business Insider suggests that Dubiel was paid to make the video, something the bank or Daniel have not yet disclosed. Business Insider also reports that Poland's central bank spent 91,000 zloty on the marketing campaign, aiming to challenge the positive views of digital currency consumers. While the argument can be made that the bank is trying to protect investors with its campaign, failure to disclose that the video was paid for calls for integrity into question. Cryptojacking is becoming a bigger problem for website publishers and consumers. Cybersecurity company WebARX recently created a tool designed to allow website owners to detect unwanted digital currency mining scripts. A large scandal recently involved hackers breaching official government sites in the UK, Australia, and Canada. Hackers also made use of YouTube ads to mine digital currency in the past, and there are apparently thousands of websites running cryptojacking script. For the most part, cases of cryptojacking involve using a tool known as CoinHive. CoinHive often runs without the consent of the user, despite being created to serve as a potential substitute for digital advertising. In a statement to Vice, a CoinHive team member said, "Just do a Google search and you'll find all kinds of how to remove CoinHive virus tutorials. All antivirus vendors have already blacklisted us. I don't think our image could be much worse." Now, the long-term consequences for a consumer are considered minimal. However, website owners are at the largest risk of long-term consequences. Damage done to a website's reputation can be difficult to mitigate, and the team at CoinHive told Vice that the trend will be here to stay for a while. To read more about today's stories, hit the links in the description down below, and make sure you subscribe to keep up with the latest in digital currency news.